Have you heard? The Pittsburgh housing market is changing for the better. In the past year alone, many areas have seen over a 6% increase in home values. That's because demand is going up. Over the last 10 years, the greater Pittsburgh region has seen a boom in population. Just look at Butler and Washington counties. The Pittsburgh region ranks as the 8th most affordable city out of the 25 biggest metropolises in the nation. There's affordable housing all over Western Pennsylvania, so it's no wonder that people are eager to move in and move up, especially with convenient travel times to work from wherever you live, saving you time and money. And that's not all. Pittsburgh is the 30th most livable city in the world and second in the U.S. According to Forbes magazine, Pittsburgh is the 6th most recession-proof city in the nation and one of 10 cities ripe for real estate to rebound. Not to mention, it's one of the best places to raise your kids. At Heartland Homes, we're ahead of the curve, having sold more than 458 homes in 2012. This has been Pittsburgh Homes at a Glance, brought to you by Heartland Homes.